Hello and welcome to the Funds for NGOs channel. This video is part of our series, How to Start and Build a Successful NGO. And today, we're covering one of the most important aspects of running a successful NGO, project planning and development. What is a project? The success of an NGO largely depends on the projects it develops and implements. A project is essentially a set of activities planned to solve a particular issue in a particular location. Every project should have a well-defined scope, clear deadlines, and a specific target population. A well-planned project helps in translating an idea into logical strategies that address real problems. Here are the core features of a project: a specific target area, location, sector, beneficiaries, well-defined timelines, clear deliverables, outputs, outcomes, and impacts, a detailed activity plan, including who is responsible for what and the schedule, a fixed budget. During the planning stage of establishing your NGO, you might have identified several problems in the target community that require immediate attention. Developing a project proposal is your way to focus on solving the most critical issue. Planning your NGO project. Project development is a key ingredient for the success of an NGO. When developing a project, it's important to consider both your organization's vision and the needs of the community. While there may be many issues in the community, you can't address them all at once. So, how do you go about planning a project? You can follow these 5 steps. Problem identification. Identify the most critical issues that need solving. Situation analysis. Understand the causes and effects of the problem. Project design. Develop a solution for the problem. Implementation. Put your project plan into action. Evaluation. Assess the success of the project and learn from the outcomes. Building trust in the community is vital to ensure the acceptability and effectiveness of your project. To gain this trust, involve the community in the project development and planning stages from the very beginning. Tools for effective project planning. There are several participatory tools you can use to ensure your project is well developed. These tools help you involve the community and other stakeholders right from the start. Stakeholder analysis. This helps you understand the problem from the perspectives of different groups. Problem tree. A tool that helps analyze the root causes and effects of the problem you're trying to solve. Seasonal calendars. These help you understand the periods of scarcity, illness, or resource stress within the community, allowing for more effective planning. Focus groups. Group discussions that help you gather perceptions, opinions, and feedback from the community. Questionnaires. A research tool used to collect specific information about a problem or issue from a group of people. As you gather information from these tools, it's also a good idea to start looking for available funding opportunities. By preparing in advance, you can develop your project proposal according to donor guidelines. Project proposal development. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to develop a project proposal. A project proposal is essentially a formal request for financial support. It outlines the implementation plan, financial requirements, and expected outcomes. Here are some important things to keep in mind when drafting your proposal. Ensure the proposal aligns with the funding body's priorities and stays within the budget. Use clear and simple language. Avoid jargon and overly academic terms. Make sure your proposal shows that you care about the issue, giving it a human pitch. Follow the donor's guidelines and instructions carefully. Clearly mention the sustainability aspect of the project and include an exit strategy. Provide a detailed budget reflecting how you'll utilize the funds. Double-check for spelling and grammatical errors and have someone else review it before submission. Although most donors have their specific proposal formats, you can start drafting your proposal using this structure. Introduction. A brief overview of the project and the problem you plan to address. Project rationale. Why this problem needs to be solved, key facts about the issue, and your approach to solving it. Project description. This is the body of the proposal and includes project goal and objectives, target beneficiaries, project activities and work plan, implementation staff, project. Outcome and outputs, risk management, sustainability, monitoring and evaluation, project budget. A detailed list of the resources needed to implement the project. Project management. Once your project proposal is approved and you secured funding, you will need to focus on project management. Managing your project effectively ensures that your project meets the expectations of both the community and the donors. Project management involves several activities, including implementing the project plan, managing external risks, and ensuring efficient communication and resource use. Here are some key strategies for effective project management. 1. Staffing and human resources. Recruit staff for the project based on your HR policy. Assign clear roles and responsibilities, and make sure your team understands the deliverables. 2. Resource management. Ensure that funds are used according to the donor agreement. If any changes are needed, seek approval from the donor first. Hire a finance manager to oversee the funds and maintain accurate financial records. 3. Communication and reporting. Keep the community informed and involved in the project process. Collect their feedback and share regular progress updates with your donors. Make sure to meet all reporting deadlines. 4. Monitoring. As the project lead, monitor all activities to ensure the project is being implemented as planned and make adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable insights on running a successful NGO. See you in the next video.